Alright guys, so I'm here to give you an example of how to find the discounted price when you're shopping for something. So today I want to shop for shoes. So here you see I am on the Adidas website. In fact, you know what? Let's start off just straight up Google, okay? Now from here I want to type in Adidas. And we're going to go down and boom. Next, I want to see what shoes I have. So let's go to men or hombre, okay? Then we could put shoes, quiero decir zapatos. Let's click there, see what we got. Now I look at the name. Now I'm probably just gonna click on a pair of random shoes, whatever shoes right now, okay? Just to give you guys the example. So let's do, I don't know. Whatever, let's just do these. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to find the discounted price. For you guys, I want you guys to find a 40% off discount. However, I'm going to give you the example with a 30% off discount. So I'm going to do 30. Now, I need to look at my total price. Mi precio es 180. My price is 180. So look at this. I'm going to do 180. Oh, that's not coming out nice. I'm going to have to draw with this. 180 times my percent. Okay? Now, what I want to show you real quick is this says here 30% off. 30% off what? 30% off 180, 30% off the total price. Okay? So the total is going to automatically be 100%. So if I'm taking away 30% from 100, that is subtraction. So instead of 100%, we are taking away 30. And when I subtract 30%, look what happens. I end up with 70. Me quedo con 70. Porque quitamos el 30% del 100%. Now, this is times 70%. However, I can't just multiply by a percent just like that. Right? Can't just do that. I need to turn that into a fraction is my preferred method. If you want to do decimal, that's fine as well. So we could do 180 times 70 over 100. Now, what I have to do now is just think. Can I make this simpler? Yes. So let me show you. Let me erase this here so we have space. 70 divided by 10, 7. 100 divided by 10, 10. Like that. Now, I have 180 times 7. Got to figure out what that is. So, 180 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 8. Well, I have to think. My 7 times tables, right? I know that 7 times 8 has to be 56. Put 6. I carry the 5. Now, 7 times 1, 7. Plus 5, get 12. Okay? So that means 180 times 7, when I multiply across, numerator times numerator, that becomes 1260. Nothing times 10, that's going to be over 10. 1260 divided by 10 and 10 divided by 10, guess what? It's just like taking away the zeros. And we end up with 126 over 1, which is the same thing as saying $126. Okay, so you could pause right now and copy that down. I'm going to erase it, and then I'm going to show you the same thing but with decimal. This is very important because when you guys go out and you're actually shopping in real life world, there's a cool thing you could actually be doing. And yes, I did say cool because I roll like that. Math is fun. Make it a thing. All right. So if I want to turn this into a decimal, guess what? My decimal is back here, right? We need to move the decimal place 2 times. 1, 2. There, right there. Why? Because my original fraction was 70 over 100, which is the same thing as saying 70 divided by 100, which means I could just move the decimal twice. All right? That is the reasoning behind it. So now I had to do 180 times 0.70. Or you could also just say 0.7. This 0 does not really matter. Now, moví el decimal 2 veces, ahora se puede multiplicar, porque ahora es un decimal, no es un por ciento. So, I'm going to get rid of this to give myself less work. 180 times 0.7. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 8, what we already said earlier, that is 56. 7 times 1, 7. Plus 5, 12. Now guess what? Remember, this is a decimal. How many numbers do I have behind the decimal here? 0. How many numbers do I have behind the decimal here? Un número detrás del decimal. So how many in total? 1 number behind the decimal. And that means that we put the decimal. We get a different color for the decimal. Right here. Which means our final answer is the dollar sign 126. Beautiful. So take care. Now remember, you guys have to do by 40%. So you're taking 40% away. I did 30%. So your number should even be a bigger discount, okay? So be sure that you send me the original price, the picture of the shoe, and the new price, okay? Take care and have a wonderful day.